Hello, actually, see the question. The question says here, what did Engelmann observe from his prism experiment? So, what he observed in his prism experiment? So, the TV Engelmann. So, he described the first action. So, he described the first action spectrum. First action spectrum spectrum of photosynthesis. Action spectrum of photosynthesis. And he explained this spectrum of photosynthesis by using a prism by using a prism and he split sunlight into its spectral component and he split sunlight into its component spectral component component that are the spectral components are the Vib gear 7 colors and then illuminated green algae. Then he illuminated green green algae. That green algae is cladophora. This cladophora is placed in the suspension of the aerobic bacteria. This is placed in the suspension of aerobic bacteria. Suspension of the aerobic bacteria. And the bacteria then were used to detect the slit of the oxygen evolution. So it detects the slits, that is the sites of oxygen evolution. So what he observed? So he observed in his experiment that is bacteria accumulated mainly in the region of the blue. This bacteria accumulated mainly in the region of the blue and red light. Blue and red light of the split spectrum. Then he observed it is resembled roughly the absorption of spectra of the chlorophyll. So which type of spectra? That is chlorophyll A and B. So for that the correct answer, that is the bacteria are accumulated. First of all, the bacteria are accumulated towards the red and blue and red light, and it is found in roughly absorbed in the spectra, that is chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. So that is which one of the following is correct? First one is given that bacteria could not detect in the site of O2 could not detect. So this is wrong here because it detect, it is the suspension of the aerobic bacteria detect in the site of oxygen evolution. So this is wrong here. Then option B is given that bacteria release excess of carbon dioxide in red and blue light. So this is also wrong because they released excess of oxygen in the red and blue light. That is bacteria accumulated at that place. Then bacteria accumulated due to the increase in the temperature caused by the increase of oxygen concentration. And so this is also wrong. Bacteria accumulated due to the increase in temperature. No, this is not possible due to the increase in oxygen concentration. So this one is wrong here. Then last one is given that bacteria get accumulated towards the red and blue light. So this one is correct as I discussed here. So bacteria are these are get accumulated towards the red and blue light. Option D is correct. I hope you understood it. Best of luck.